What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1966 Chevelle Convertible. This one here's got a 283 up under the hood. There's no power steering, no power brakes. It's like drum brakes all the way around on this one. A set of American racing wheels with good tires. We're gonna be taking it down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Go ahead and visit maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, finance options, and shipping information is available all up on that website. I want to thank y'all for watching these videos. We're close to 200,000 subscribers. I'm getting very excited, and with y'all's help, we'll get there faster. Everybody out there telling people and sharing these videos, I want to thank y'all. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, before we take off, gonna look around on the interior. We'll go ahead and start this 283 up. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? We'll go ahead and add the radio. What do you think? Got two bets there. A little game we like to play on the channel here. Show you the mileage. 68,000 is what it's showing. The old clock's not working anymore. We'll go ahead and try our wipers. They work. Our blower motor. It is working. I can hear it, so we should have some heat. No AC on this one. Radio. Making noises, but it's not working, so you're gonna have to replace that. And horn, it works good. How about I freak that guy out? Looking around on the dash, nice and clean. Checking out the interior, it's pretty sweet. Got my bag back there with gear. You can see all the gear that I use to make these videos below in the description with Amazon links to everything that you would need. All right, let's hit the road. All right, getting ready to take off down the road here. Anything that I see, I will point out and let you know. That's why I do these videos. All right. So our gas gauge is maxed all the way out. Could mean that it's unhooked from the tank or that it's full. We'll find out. First off, I noticed our speedometer is not working. Wait, it just kicked up. It went from 0 to 40 instantly. It's working perfectly now. If I let go of the steering wheel, we're straight as an arrow. Not having any issues there. And the steering, as soon as I turn, it turns. It's nice and tight. What do y'all think? Think this kick down's hooked up? It's not. I was trying. Turn signals, both of them are popping up on the dash. Haven't really got into the brakes yet. We'll be trying them here in a second. We'll give them a test. They pull to the left just a hair. I think they got a little bit of dust on them. They're drum brakes, so until you knock the dust off, they don't act proper. So on the second half of the test drive, I'm going to manually shift this car, and since the kickdown's not hooked up, we'll see what she can do. For now, I'm going to pull in the parking lot here. We're going to drive over the camera, get some outside shots, and do a full walk around, pointing out any kind of flaws inside, out, and underneath. So make sure you watch both parts. There's always 2 videos that every car I have. All right, let's get these shots. All right, we're getting ready to take off here, but first, it's like 30 degrees out here. I'm putting the top back up, guys. Kind of check it out. It's coming up decent here. All right, I'm gonna get this thing all secured in, buckled up, and we're gonna take off down the road. Okay, here we go. So far so good. Motor's staying nice and cool. Of course, it's like freezing outside, so shouldn't have any overheating issues, especially with this motor being a small block. Suspension's a little bit stiff, but you can tell the car's been lowered. Gives it that good look though. Picking up some rocks on the tires, kicking up in the fender wells right now. So we're gonna go all the way down here to the next exit. Just trying to pass up all the construction here. Pull out. Like I said before I ended the video, the kickdown's not hooked up, so we are going to I'm not sure what that guy was saying, but we will go left. And we got her down in low now. Uh-oh. Never mind. Let's try this again. All right, we got her in low, so. She's a cruiser. We can call it a powerhouse, but it's definitely got enough get up and go when you pull out in traffic. And the steering's nice and tight. It's going straight down the road. Let's try our brakes. Brakes are still pulling a little bit to the left. When you let off, it tries to straighten up. That'd be a good upgrade for this car. We're coming up on that road with a speed bump. You can listen for rattles and shakes. Remember, well, you haven't seen it because if you haven't watched the walk around video, you haven't seen what's in the trunk. There's springs in the trunk, and you're gonna hear those on the speed bump over here. And I'll tell you when that's coming up. Right here. No, you didn't hear it in the trunk. Guess the suspension's, that'd give you a good idea on suspension. I'll put some springs in the trunks or some bells in there. See how much they shake. It was pretty smooth, really. All right. Throttle's very responsive on this car too. All right, we're gonna swing through here. This is Brian's Motorsports, right down from the lot, basically family to us. I've known Brian himself for years. He's got a customization shop, so if you buy a car from us and you want wheels, you want interior redone, you want custom consoles, you want a stereo system, tent, pretty much anything you can think of to trick out your ride, this is the guy to go to. Just go to briansmotorsports.com. He's always got something going on down here. He's actually got a foundation going on for kids for Christmas to help out unfortunate kids that don't have anything. So, and no, he doesn't pay me to do any of this. I just support his business and want y'all to check him out, because there's not a whole lot of people out there like that guy. All right. We're coming back up to the car lot now, and yeah, there's a lot of people in town that drive old classics. They come up by the lot all the time. There's a C10 sitting right there. The gentleman was up at the lot a couple days ago showing it off. Let's see here. I'm gonna pull in the entrance here. We're gonna go ahead and finish this video up. I've got a few more cars that I wanna jump on today and see if I can get online. I appreciate y'all riding along with me. All right. Of course, Ivory up here photo bombing. He's got his gear on. All right, guys, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. We're getting this close to 200,000 subscribers, and I'm excited to hit that. That's a little milestone for me. And it's all because of y'all sharing the videos, telling your friends about them, liking them, watching them. I want to thank y'all for that. Go ahead and jump on over and watch the walk around video on this, because it's going to give you all the details on the paint job, the interior. Just kind of gives you the rundown on the car. It's usually about 30 to 45 minutes worth of information if you watch both of the videos. And if you go to maplemotors.com, you could get finance and shipping, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and close to 100 detailed pictures of any car on the lot. And speaking about cars on the lot, I'm gonna go ahead and grab something else, take it for a ride, and continue these videos for today. Well, thank y'all for watching. See you guys.